If you are wondering if you need to buy a charger or power adapter for your OnePlus 15R, then the answer actually depends where you live, because in some regions, like for example in Europe, power adapters are pretty much no longer included when you purchase a smartphone, so you will not be able to find a power adapter inside the box in that case. But if you live in, let's say, Southeast Asia, then the chance is actually higher. I mean, the chance that you can find the charger inside the box. Let's say in India, the power adapter is actually included inside the box, so you don't have to purchase it separately. So the best way to actually check if you need to purchase a charger or power adapter is to take a look at the box, because on the box you can find this information, this graphic over here, if the power adapter is of course not included. And if you cannot take a look at the box before you purchase the phone, I can recommend you asking the person that is selling the phone to you about that information to be, of course, certain if you need to purchase a charger or not. Other than that, if the power adapter is not included, but you still have a power adapter, for example, from your previous phone, then you can actually use it until you decide to upgrade, of course, for your OnePlus 15, depending on the type of power adapter that you already have. In this case, we have 80 watts charging, so ideally, you want to get a power adapter made by OnePlus, Oppo, or Realme, and it should have 80 watts or more. This will provide you the most optimization for charging and also the fastest charging speed. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.